Well, hello there. This is another guitar that I built some years ago for a friend of mine. He was wanting a custom-made telly, so that's what I gave him. This guitar is made of cherry wood and maple. The neck is maple, and I believe I put a maple fretboard on it, and the body has been chambered, as you see here. This was a really fun build. This is a set neck design, and those stripes you see in it right there are maple stripes. He didn't want them painted in, so we decided to go this route with it. It has a real slight carved top to it. He wanted to keep it pretty much a simple design, so it has one volume knob on it and a three-way switch, Les Paul style. And we wound up putting P90s in this, and I believe now it's got P90s, the Seymour Duncan P90s in it right now. I believe he does. I haven't seen the guitar now in a few years, so I don't know what's happened to him either. He kind of faded off on me here. But this came out to be a really great guitar. That was the end of my cherry wood that I had at the time. And when I cut it to do the book matching on it, it was like, oh my gosh, I didn't know if I wanted him to have it or not. But it came out to be a really nice playing guitar. Sounds great. Sustains great. It just came out to be a really nice guitar. From last I talked to him, it's one of his main guitars that he plays all the time. And he chose the maple wood for the neck and for the fretboard. So that's what we used. And he bought the dot inlays for that. And that's what a custom means. When I used to build customs for people, I would build them to what they wanted, not what I wanted. We did decide to go with a tilt back headstock on it, like you would on a Les Paul, with that Fenderish look to it, and that eliminates having to use the string trees. And but again, I used Minwax tung oil finish on this, and it's still that way today. And again, it came out to be a really nice. Well, my mic cut off on me here, so yes, it came out to be a really nice guitar. Again, it played really nice. It was a fun guitar to play, actually, and I wish I had more video on it. I don't have any sound videos on this one either, because again, this was at a time when I had no way of recording it. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. We're coming up to the end here. At the very last, I played a joke on him, had him open his guitar case up, and you'll see what he found in it. It was funny. So anyway, y'all be at peace, and I'll be talking on the next video. I just forgot to mention that I'm doing these recordings because it turned out really cold here. So I have to wait for the weather to warm back up.